Hi guys, today I'll share with you Makita TD001GD201Max Cordless Impact Driver. Genuine solution for high demand industrial user. Having excellent ability to perform heavy duty continuous tightening, able to continuously tighten heavy duty screws such as metal fastening screw or lag screws. Multiple operation modes for a wide range of applications. 4-speed power selection plus 6 assist modes. One-touch speed selector provides precise fastening control for a wide range of application.
这个木是很硬啊，我们来用这个最长的啦，硬啊。
Note that the blue LED light is assist mode. If you off the assist mode, the 4 green light will on and it become manual. So with the assist mode 1, it is for wood. Mode 2 is suitable for thin steel and mode 3 is suitable for thick steel.
要用2个手啦，但是过后我会用1个手，因为它很有力。
Let's see what happens if you use the assist mode 2 on wood. It will stop automatically because the machine senses that it is not steel by sensoring the RPM and the torque. And on mode 4 and 1, it is to take out the screw. The machine will stop automatically when it senses the screw is loose, so the screw won't drop it.
Activate 我们也是一样用 mode 的第一 ，OK， 所以要换去 reverse。OK， 它就开了哦，所以它不会继续转。
For more information, you can read through my description.